Honey. Okay. Guys, okay.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Thandeka Kaule, Mrs. K, Indebele Han. Honey. Okay. Guys, okay. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Thandeka Kaule, Mrs. K, Indebele Han. So, guys, it's been long overdue. I've been wanting to start, but the fear of the unknown. But I am so happy that we are finally here. So please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to share with your family and friends, because honey, it's about to get that. Hope you like it. I hope you love it here. So connect with me in all my social media platforms: TikTok, Mrs. Kaule, Instagram, Mrs. Kaule. Guys, I think you saw ekuthomeni wenyana ngibuya ukuthenga ngibuya kwenza amazipho, and then ngakhamba ngaya eHighfield Mall to do to get a few stuff nje, but I don't think I needed the things, but yeah. So I went to Highfield Mall and I bought a few things, and then I went to Solo branch. So yeah, yeah guys, so let's just unbox in ringiz thengileko. Right, so guys, I went to Foschini. I bought this hat. I don't have shemas. So megui, it was a special, ne? 2 for 1. You buy 2 for 1. So ngithethe 2, esi 1 ngisinikele mama, bese nami ngithethe so ngisinikeza mama. ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi naye bekazosithanda. So yeah, and then I bought ama shades, guys. Still sikufoshini ne. I bought ama shades lawa ne. Oh guys, so my sister umkhari wami ungithengele ingubo le, guys. Angisho uyazi ukuthi nangu makoti mani fanele, so kusho ukuthi uyayazi assignment umkhari ungithengele ingubo le, uthi uyibonile wayithandela udadewabo. So I am so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Snelly. Thank you so much. Ngiyathokoza, ngiyayithanda. And nayibona mara ukuthi yamecha netukwa. So guys, the reason why ngimbethi tuku ne ngithwele tuku, it's because my hair ngithe mangisafuna ukuyenza ukuthi ibe rehe, ibe yihle, ngatholakala ukuthi ukuthi igeza ayikho, ikhambe ngo 11:30, no, 11:30 or 11:30. Nanje ayakabuyi igezi leyo, ngintshele indaba leyo. So angazi, but and I'm getting something. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so and the clicks and got Lixie. I bought this sunscreen, the Sun Protect. So SPF yakona it's 30 ne. I had a Sun Protect a Cetaphil SPF yakona meguyi 50 and meyingi chisa, guys, young chisa. And mind you, lapha like ya chisa, uyokutshintshwa yi sunscreen uchiswe lilanga la ya chisa ne. I'm currently kaNdebele eKosini, yabo ngingekosini kwagogo nekhaya kwami, but ikagogo. So yeah, currently ngilapho. So yeah, I bought this at Lixie, and then I bought Sobe facial skincare. So yeah, I bought this for my handbag, guys. For my handbag, I don't have a handbag, yeah. And then Pep Home, I bought a diffuser ne, Jasmine. So guys, diffuser le ngithengile ePep beyithengeka, guys. Girl, zithengele diffuser for your bedroom or for your sitting room. Hey, ukuthi mina nakhona kangenako ajabule man, ezokunukelela, ezokunuka kamnandi ngisho nakunukelelako kuba mnandi ngisho ngendlela. Yabona ukuthi man fast lo ngakhetha mina. So it doesn't matter ukuthi uyithenge kuphi. Yabona le ngithenge ePep Home. I love it. Benunuka kamnandi nayo Jasmine. Yazi mina ngithanda ukudlala kakhulu vele. So I bought those two wine glasses. I bought these 2 wine glasses from Pep Home. So they're the same ne, manga but ke ama size awalingani, ama glass la kalingani, mara ke lokho zange wangidisturb. No, nakancane ngoba ayafana man, ayafana. So I bought 4 of these, 2 the size and 2 the size, so they make it 4. I bought the serving bowl ne. Yeah, it's a serving bowl. So I bought the serving bowl. Ngibona ingaraman ngayithatha. I do have 3 of these, but akusiyi fish le. I think lang tendre fish over. So and then I bought a duvet cover set from Pep Home. Now you waiting, guys. So in duvet cover nama 2 pillowcases. I'm a standards pillowcases are. I'm a standards pillowcases. And I bought my babies out too from Woolies. I bought these 2. So garlic flakes ne mixed spice. I bought a syrup ne. So it's a strawberry and mint flavored syrup. So guys, with this one I wanted to try out a cocktail, yabo. So izoba a non-alcohol cocktail and ngizokuzama ukuyenza on the ke yebo ke words ne. And then I bought abo Cape Lay Sweet Rose. I bought 3 of these. Begu 150 for 3. So I just thought, why not? Why not? Why not? Minage guys, ngifuna ukuthi I don't even know why I bought this, but mina vane ngibena bayini man, vane ngibena bavakachinyana, yabona my cousin amnikeza ngizakubasela, yabo? Plus it's December guys. So I bought 3 of these. Ngithenge ama Sweet Rose out too. Lightly sparkling red. Bese it's petulant or what? I don't know. You can read that. Ankere. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Guys, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. And I hope to see you on the next one. Because ciao. Kuzoba mnandi man. Kuzoba mnandi ne. Kuzoba mnandi. Githi mina lalela. Kuzoba lit. Kusazoba lit. Kusazoba lit. Kusazoba mnandi. Kusazoba mnandi. Kusazoba. Guys, let me not waste your time. But okay. Ngithokoze khulu.